Hello and welcome to Tech Talks. It's my pleasure to welcome today Corinne de Bilbao, President at Microsoft France. Corinne, thank you very much for joining me here. So we know we've got this year Microsoft teaming up yet again with VivaTech. Tell us about things coming up.
Well, Microsoft is a long-standing partner of Viva Technology, and I'm particularly proud to be part of this 10th anniversary edition. And this year, we're coming with a strong conviction. Artificial intelligence is no longer a technology in experimentation. It is already deeply redefining what a company is. We're actually entering a new era, the era of frontier firms, which are organizations that place AI and agents at the core of how they operate, how they make decisions, how they grow.
Well, now I'd like to ask you, what can visitors expect from your booth this year?
At our booth, we want visitors to truly feel this transformation. Not just hear about it, but see it and experience it. They will discover how AI is already transforming organizations through Microsoft 365 Copilot, AI agents, co-work, as well as trusted cloud and security. Concretely, this transformation will come to life through demonstrations, conversations with our teams, and hands-on experiences. Above all, visitors will see how this transformation is already happening at scale. We will also spotlight a new generation of innovators with the third cohort of our Microsoft GenAI Studio. French startups applying AI to real-world challenges, such as healthcare, cybersecurity, creative industries, education, and customer service. So together, they illustrate the strength of a dynamic ecosystem shaping the future of innovation in France.
And so now tell us, how will you make this experience truly unique this year?
We love to be unique, as you know. This year we will go beyond in how we bring AI to life. Because the frontier is not only something you build, but also something you feel. We have designed an immersive experience, Frontier Exploration. We will share 3 stories to show how AI can help protect life on Earth, how it is reinventing creativity and culture, and how it is transforming the world of sport. Because beyond technology, AI opens up a new way of seeing the world and acting on it. And because this transformation must benefit everyone, Microsoft will also take part in the very first VivaTech Festival, a day open to the general public. Together, with partners such as Simplon and Tralala, we will support people of all ages in building AI skills across education, employment, accessibility, and everyday life.
Excellent, Corinne. Well, we certainly look forward to it. Thank you so much for joining me here.
Thank you.
Join us June 17th through 20th at VivaTech, the place to be.